Welcome everyone to our practical workshop for the SME Sustainability Leadership Recognition Scheme. This scheme is indeed a very important part of our PSLB project that have been launched in 2020 and supported by HSBC, which aims to connect those large corporates and the SMEs for closer collaboration on their sustainability transition journey.
Throughout the 2 hours that you participate in today, you'll be able to identify your various partners along your value chain, as well as able to kickstart on your sustainability mapping and creating a roadmap kind of journey, including setting sustainability targets.
This is really a good platform to create synergy among large corporates and among SMEs. We don't just want to create awareness, right? But more importantly, real action and also different things of what we call enablers, different tools to help you start the journey to integrate sustainability considerations in your operation.
Sustainability, as you know, is different from corporate social responsibility. When we talk about sustainability, we are talking about it from the risk management angle. Because there are so many global risks that are occurring right now, like the COVID-19, climate change, you also have livelihood issues. So all these are the global risks that can actually disrupt your businesses or the business model.
So for JL, actually we have ESG management. We aim to achieve SDGs by focusing on 4 priority areas: environment, community, people, and governments, and address 22 issues. Also activated over 180 initiatives, actually still going on. Also talking about the big picture of startups, what we are facing on the challenges. So our partners actually gain the insight into how startups is working every day to lead the way, as well as most importantly, bringing that into our sustainability agenda.